How to deactivate Agoda listing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can deactivate Agoda listing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Agoda app. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you're on your account and after you're on Agoda, what you'll need to do is head over to More option that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on More. And on the top, you will find Host on Agoda Homes. Simply tap on it. We go back. Tap on it. And after you tap on your Agoda, what you'll need to do is it might take some time to load. And there we see. So right here, you will see in progress, active and deactivated. So what you'll need to do is head over to the active section. Now, since I don't have any active section, I'll show you guys what to do in progress. So after you're on your active section, you will see your listings like this. So tap on the three dots right besides your listing. And after you tap on it, there you will see an option to deactivate or remove your listings. So simply tap on it and tap on remove. So after you do that, on the deactivated section, you should be able to see your deactivated Agoda listing. And that's basically how you deactivate Agoda listing, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.